What up, peeps? This here be that Rasta setup, that Rasta fire. Got the generic HP keyboard there. Gotta love that G500 mouse. Got the 24-inch screen. Over here, rocking the Plantronics GameCons, the 7.1s. You got to have them, the 7.1s. Got the little iPod box for the iPods. Of course, we got to have the printer action over here with the good Sony laptop down there. Got to have them Oreos. You know what I'm saying? Get that good Oreo, baby. Of course, we got to have the PlayStation system down here on the ground with the good Dre Beats back up in there. More stuff down on the ground. And then, of course, up here on the wall in rotating distance, we got the PlayStation. We got some more of the old school 7.1s for the PlayStation setup. And some generic Sony headphones up there with the 42-inch screen up on the TVs so we can jugar, that's play in Spanish, the PlayStation up there. So when we get bored of playing over here, we just bust a quick rotation, spin the chair or something to the big screen on the wall there, and then we spin back and continue to pwn them fools up in the good AVA. All right, holla back. That's your boy, Rastafire. Out.